In this video, we will study the data types in C++. So C++ gives us a bunch of data types like primitive data types, derived data types, and user-defined data types. So for now, let's focus on primitive data types, which are integer, float, character, boolean, etc. And these are the four basic ones. Integer takes numbers as value, char takes single character or a letter, float takes decimal point, and boolean takes two values, true or false. True indicates 1 and false indicates 0. We can also assign integer value to character data type or a character to an integer data type. So why do we really need these data types in our program? Actually, the main usage of these data types and the difference between each of them is their size in bytes. Like integer takes 2 bytes in memory, char takes 1 byte, float takes 4 bytes, and boolean takes 2 bytes. To clear the confusion, let's check the table on our screen, in which we have numeric value 65 for character A, and to represent letter A we have 65, which is a number, and this means that at the end every character is a number and each number is a character. So now let's implement this example. So now let's assign a character to an integer data type A letter and print it number. This is a variable, and char character will give it a value 65, which is a number, and let's see out it character execute. So here we are, the integer data type having a letter A has printed 65 and character has printed A. Now let's implement our data types. Integer age, float height, character gender, bool is beautiful. Now let's assign values to this variable. Age is equal to 23, height is equal to 7.5, gender is equal to F, which means female, and is beautiful is equal to true. Now let's print them. See out age and write the name of variable age, and see out height variable name, see out gender, and the final one is beautiful, but then variable name is beautiful. Now let's execute it, and this is the output of our program.